Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to pass the ownership of a Facebook page. This is really simple to do. So we are here on the main page. First, we gotta make sure that here on this icon that you're looking here, we select it on our page and not on our profile. So once we do that, we go to settings. We have to click right here on the left. And once we are here on settings, we go to page roles. Perfect. Now we are here on page roles. What we gotta do, as you can see here, we have the option to add someone to new role. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So right here, we have to type in the name of the person that we want to pass the role. For example, I'm gonna choose this person and it's gonna ask us for the password of our Facebook. So we put it as it is. And then, as you can see, automatically this person is going to be sent a request to be on the role. It can be admin, for example. And once this person accepts, then we can remove us if we want as admin, or we can both be admin of the page. So as you can see, it's really simple. It's all that you gotta do. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.